Vocabulário básico, número 1, apresentações. In this video, let's learn some basic vocabulary for introductions. Listen to the words and practice repeating them. Olá! Bom dia! Boa tarde! Boa noite! Bem-vindo! Como se chama? Como te chamas? Chamo-me Ana. De onde é? De onde és? Eu sou do Porto. Muito prazer. Igualmente. Obrigado. Adeus. Até à próxima. When addressing people, remember that there are different levels of formality. For family, friends, children, it is common to treat them informally. For people you just met, know a little or older, it's common to be formal. Como estás? Como está? It is common to drop the subject pronouns in formal tu, formal você, o senhor, a senhora. As an extra activity, record yourself repeating out loud the sentences. After, listen to the recording and compare your pronunciation to the original. Identify the sounds you struggle with. Focus on improving them. Did you know that our patrons on patreon.com watch our videos firsthand? Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Learn European Portuguese online.